So basically, publishing means copying content from one system to another.
Right.
So it's similar to UCM that we have.
Right.
So publishing is done. There are three types of publishing available in WebCenter sites.
Mm-hmm.
First is export to disk.
Okay.
Second is mirror to server,
Mm-hmm.
and third is export assets to XML.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we will be talking about all these three later in the video.
Okay.
So when an asset is deemed ready for publication, a content provider market has approved. So in a publishing session, we have two things. First is we have to approve the assets. Why we need
Mm-hmm.
approval? Because we need to check that whether this asset deemed ready for the publication or not, for the publishing or not. Whether there is a broken link in the asset or where there is any problem with the asset.
Okay.
So we have to mark it as approved.
Okay. So workflow is different. Like, that is like a different step, and approve. This is like a different step.
Yeah, those are two different steps, but they are a part of a publishing process.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So after approval, we can publish it. So publishing can be done automatic. It can be done by scheduler.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So basically, the maximum, like in runtime environments, we always use mirror to server publishing. It's very rare that we use assets to XML or export to disk.
Okay.
So first, let's talk about this mirror to server publishing.
Okay.
So mirror to server publishing, what we do, like we approved assets and their database tables are mirrored from the CMS system database to the delivery system database. We have
Okay.
tables for all the asset types, right?
Mm-hmm. Very true.
So if we want to move our data from one system to another,
Mm-hmm.
we have to first mirror those tables into our delivery.
Okay. When you say mirror, you're pointing your data source to the source, or so we have source and destination now.
Yeah. So when I say mirror, we mean to say that I mean to say that we have to copy all the tables into this destination from the source.
Okay.
So the first activity in publishing is to mirror those tables.
Okay.
Okay. So once mirroring is done,
Mm-hmm.
then it will go for the row by row copy of content.
Okay.
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 So
So here, when you say when you are first doing this mirror to server, so it first creates like database structure in the delivery system,
yeah,
right?
it first create database schema.
Database schema. Okay. So it will just copy like the whole layout, and it will create the, and then it copies row by row to the delivery.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, publishing means database creation in the delivery.
Database creation in the delivery. Okay.
So it will copy all the content uh, from the chat from the uh, from one system to another.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So that content will be served dynamically for the to the browser.
Okay.
So this is what media to server publishing.
Okay. Yep.
So let me do one thing. Let me just quickly show you. Let's go to AVI Sports.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me show you how to. Let's go to AVI Sports. So I told you about approval, that we need to approve content.
Okay. We need to approve the content. That's true.
So we have to approve like here.
Yeah. The check mark. Yep.
Yes. And delivery. Now, these are the dependency that it has. Now we have to
Mm-hmm.
select approve with dependencies.
Okay.
So when we click this, it will approve all. Sorry. Uh, so yeah, what it will do? Yeah, it will approve all the.
Related assets. Okay.
Yes. So it all are approved now.
Mm-hmm.
So when we go to the admin, when
Admin.
we give
Okay.
publishing, we have to choose the destination.
Okay. Okay. So one second. So only the Fatware admin will have this publishing tab, or it's
All which have
the customer.
appropriate ACLs and
Mm-hmm.
appropriate roles can do the publishing.
Okay.
Okay. So when you select the
Yep.
publishing destination,
Mm-hmm.
so it will ask you for the like uh, asset, which assets are ready for publishing.
Okay.
So and choose one, like for example skiing.
Okay.
Put it into the demand it into a queue,
Delivery. Okay. Delivery is
and
individual.
then select this from the demand queue and publish on demand queue. It will start the session, publishing session. Since our server is, we don't have any any delivery, so it will show fail. But in the real time scenario, when we have a server, it will say success. Hello. Hello.